everybody, it's Fox and Dog Gamer, and we are doing a race with Panda. Say hi, Panda.
Sup?
So, on your mark, we will be racing. Do you know the racing point?
Yes, I do.
Alright, on your marks. Reverse Flash versus the Flash. On your marks.
We all know who's going to win this.
Me.
No, it's me.
Look at me. On your marks. Get set. Go. Flash. Ah! Oh!
No, you're Reverse Flash.
Quit that! Quit it!
I'm so winning.
Ah! We're neck and neck. Ah! I won! Now we gotta go back. On your marks. Get set. Go. I'm so much faster than you.
Which tree do we turn at?
Just like at the oils. Then you gotta pick up on this road.
Oh, okay. Ah!
That's why you better turn on vibrate. Oh! I had vibrate on and I fell right through the bridge.
Boom.
Where are you?
Haha, I'm at the finish line.
You are?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Woo!
Alright, on your marks. Get set. Wait, where are you?
I'm right here.
Alright, on your marks. Get set. Go.
I see you.
I'm winning.
Huh?
What? Hold on. I see you. You're so lame. Ah! Why? Why?
Panda for the win.
Not today, buddy.
What? No.
I'm the Reverse Flash. I'm the Reverse.
Vibrating with anger.
I'm the Reverse. I'm going right through you.
What happened to I stop? Oh, then I just...
You just stabbed me. My health went down.
This guy, actually, he's like going in a... He can like do a tornado.
That's because he's on a computer. All right, on your marks.
Oh, I want to play this on a computer.
All right, on your marks. We're going back. On your marks. Get set. Go.
What?
Bye.
I see you.
Oh, I should. I was supposed to
Tree.
turn on. I was. Here, let's stop. Get some coffee. Ah! How?
I am the Flash.
But one more round that decides it. On your marks. Get set. Go, Siri!
No! I see you.
Hey,
Okay.
ah! Why did I do that?
Why did you scream? Just don't like it. All characters are boys, though. I mean, it'd be weird to have a Flash with hair, though. Like long hair.
I won.
What? Yo, you cut. You didn't stay on
All right,
the
guys,
trail.
we know who won.
It was me.
The Reverse Flash.
No, you cut.
All right, I'm gonna chase you, kill you, Barry Allen. Where are you, bird?
Banana boo-boo.
You're stupid. Just like running a line. There are two flashes and I can't.
You'll never.
All right, guys, I believe that's it for today. Goodbye.